Artificial intelligence is reshaping the future. The question is, will you use AI or build it? Welcome to the AI Club.
In AI Club of Atria Institute of Technology, it's a student-driven platform where the student gets a chance to interact with the real-world problems. It is not just a technical community where the students have to be in the technical. They work for the real-world problem solutions.
So in AI Club, we will be conducting various events, seminars, which industrial experts will be coming and telling us about AI. And we will be conducting peer-to-peer sessions to students, which they can clarify their doubts within the teammates and within the students. They can individually give their inputs and take our inputs as well.
Through hands-on projects, workshops, and competitions, students gain practical experience in AI and machine learning while solving real-world challenges. Join Atria Institute of Technology. Start building the future today.